I sit and stare at the wall with no sound. Hours on end, I feel so alone. I feel so bad. Sometimes I wanna stay on the ground. No motivation in me as the demons come out, telling me I'm useless and I'll never truly be on top. I look for help, but find nothing but doubt. Hearing God tell me to fight, knowing I'm better than this. I can't extinguish the fire, is so bright, to motivate people to God's grace. Tomorrow is a new day to start, pushing the button that says restart. I have to be the example, you can make it. I have to be the example, you can make it. God is the only one that sees me like this. Restart, restart. I grow numb to the pain I feel. Running from it, I quicken my pace. On the outside, I'm confident. Past the surface, I struggle internally. All I do is pay rent to buy the time to fight my depression. Self-worth, not good enough. More to me than just an expression. I must fight the bad thoughts in my head. People need me, and God knows the purpose. The people I've reached is widespread. I have to be the example, you can make it. Tomorrow is a new day to start, pushing the button that says restart. I have to be the example, you can make it. God is the only one that sees me like this. Restart, restart. No matter who puts me down or doubts me, God built me for this, strong and full of grit. God is the only one that sees me like this. At my fragile state with nothing around, lost in the deep dark abyss. Tomorrow is a new day to start, knocking the devil back down, pushing the button that says restart. I have to be the example, you can make it. I have to be the example, you can make it. God is the only one that sees me like this. Restart, 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 restart. Tomorrow is a new day to start, knocking the devil back down, pushing the button that says restart.